Hi everyone, it's Dramatic12 here. I got an amazing deal and an amazing find at Michael's Craft Store. And they're Squishies. I was so shocked to see these. And they have all sorts of different ones. And they are super squishy. And they're almost like the same quality as the expensive ones that I've purchased. These are not, like the Japanese brand or the other brands like you would get from kawaii stores and such, but these are so squishy and they're so cute. I got like a variety, and one of my favorites is this one right here. It's silicone on top. I wish you guys could feel this. This feels so amazing, and they're super squishy. And oh, they actually call them smooshers. Smooshers. But, you can call them squishies too. I mean, they're like the same, just different name. And this is like a waffle fry. And it has the little keychain on it. So I got like a variety of these. And I have this one. It's super squishy too. Isn't it adorable? This will be great to use like as fake food or photography. And to put in like a bake shop or a food stylist could use those as well, or use these as well. This one has the same silicone stuff on top. It's so squishy. I love these. These are great. And it looks sort of like something we made in the culinary classes that I've taken for baking and pastry. And there's this little macaron. If you ever get the opportunity to try a macaron, you should try it. One of my favorite flavors is the pistachio. I really like the pistachio flavor. In the raspberry, they have rose flavor and all sorts of different flavors. But this one was actually $2 for this squishy. And like some of the bigger ones, like this one here, and that one, are like $3 each. And these, I think these are $3 too, but with my coupons, I got all of these for $1 each instead of paying $2 or $3 for different ones. Like these small ones are like $1. So if you can find any coupons, then use them and you can get yours all for $1 as well. So I really lucked out with the coupons this weekend. I got these, most of these yesterday, which was Friday night, I think Friday evening, and then I went back again this afternoon and I got a few more things. So let me move some of the squishies out of the way. And some of these will be for like trade or for sale. So also, I got these stickers for scrapbooking. And this one is really cute. And then I got these food stickers for $1. And these would work great for like doll houses, or putting them on those little plastic trays and using them to put in to decorate your dollhouse with and your fake foods and all of that. So I think it's 6 sheets in here. And these are great. This is a great buy for $1. I also had a coupon on all the stickers. Like this sticker right here was like $6. And I ended up paying $3 for it. And they had one more left. I probably should have gotten another one, because these are going to go in a scrapbook since we're going to some different locations this summer for vacation. And it'll be like a place where there's a lot of water and sand and all that. And we'll probably end up, well, I know we will end up in Boston, Massachusetts. So I got this one, but I got all of these with coupons, and so they were all a lot cheaper than what they really were priced as. Coupons are great, you guys, so make sure you find all that you can when it comes to the coupons. Okay, so that's it for this haul. Thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.